Welcome and greetings. My name is Shua, and I am covering the topic of money recently, and that is the one topic that I will be continuing to work on. And you are happy about it. I know that I have been getting some feedback, and I am really honored and humbled that I will be covering this topic more in depth because there are so many people who want to know about it the way I am talking about it. It's not that we don't have this topic outside, on the web and everywhere, but it connects to parenting the way I am trying to bring it to you. That is, uh, first I'm addressing the Pakistani community. Doesn't matter where Pakistanis are, then it also applies to South Asian, whether it's Indians or Bangladeshis or anyone. So these are some habits of South Asian people that we need to see if we are properly doing it. This is my exploration. If you are doing it well, please share with me. I don't know, but how did I learn about money? It was, as I mentioned, that when I was younger, I have seen my cousins and my siblings. We used to get some gift money on this Eid ul-Fitr, which is the celebration that marks the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting. So now we give to children. Me and my husband used to give it to our children, and relatives and all. And now I give to my nephews and nieces and all. And my boys are like, no, we're working. We don't need money from you. But anyhow, it's nice, still nice, fun to give them some. But what I want to talk about today is address those questions that if you can please participate in this, that at what age did you first learn about the money? This is first question. Second is, what is the value of money for you? Third question is, do you think money is evil or negative to have? If it is, if your view is otherwise, please share with me so we can have a discussion. And those 5 people that I had mentioned, there is one young man who has already replied, so I am waiting for a few more so that I can bring you all at different instances or maybe together. I don't know. I'll see how we can schedule that. And that you can come and talk to me on Instagram and talk about what is your experience with money, because through our experiences, through our stories, people learn about this better. All right, the fourth question is, are you happy or sad with having money, or happy with less or a lot of money? Depends. Are you happy with lots of money, or are you sad with lots of money? Are you sad with less money, and why? There is a why with every of these questions. Do you teach, if you're a parent or you're an adult who has children around you in your family, do you teach your children about the money? Like, let's say you see some parents are not teaching their children about money. Do you feel the urge that you should teach them because you know better? Maybe you are in finance, maybe you're an accountant, I don't know, it depends. Do you think that accountants and people in finance would be better in managing money? And how would their relationship be with money? Is it very strict business oriented, or is there like, no, we should only save the money and not spend it in charity? Because that's one of my questions. So these are 5 questions that I will ask today only, and you can rewind and see 5 questions that I've asked. I will also put this in description, but I want you to address these. So then that's where we will go into our deeper conversations. But today I will also give you out of 15, I think I'll try to cover 7 or 8 of the tips. 15 ways to teach your children about money. All right, that is coming up in the next video. Stay tuned. Do visit my website, LightupwithShua.com. Do leave a comment or two. Let me know what you think. Please participate, because this is an important topic, and you have I think you will enjoy the topics that I'm going to bring and the guests that I'm going to bring. I'm lining them up. I'm quite busy with many projects, but I am working on the money topic, and I will teach you about from different angles and through people who are experts in it. I'm not an expert, but I'll bring experts. All right. Thank you.